All right, scholars, let's see how you did. So we just read this paragraph right here. Let me highlight this right here. We just read all of this, okay? So you had to define the word scurry and the word curious. So let's go to scurry first. I thought it would scurry away, but the crab stayed where it was. So I think the word scurry means to run away. And because the reason I think that is because she thought that it would run away, but instead it stayed right where it was. The next word is curious. At first, I pretended I wasn't, but I was curious about the crab. So when you think about the TV show Curious George, he's always thinking about how things work and what things do. So at first, she pretended not to care, but then actually she really was curious. So to be curious means to be interested in something, to think about something, to want to know more about something. And so in this story, she really was curious about the crab. All right, so now it's your turn. You're going to be reading this paragraph right here. Miss Esther's going to go ahead and read it for you. And then you are going to do a 4-question quiz to see if you can figure out the meaning of these 4 words. So listen up, okay? I thought that Miguel would complain about having to pick up the crab, but he happily took the crab back down to the ocean. We both watched the crab to see what would happen. I was not sure if the crab would be okay. I tried to relax, but I was feeling very anxious. Miguel told me that although this was a new thing for me, he was very familiar with crabs and he was not worried about the crab at all. He told me to stop being so impatient. The crab just needed some time to feel better before he swam away. All right, so in just a minute, you're going to answer a question about what do you think complain means? What do you think the word anxious means? Familiar and impatient. Remember, you're going to have this passage to use while you answer your questions.